Alright, so this is middleweight Superbike at Arroyo Seco Raceway. This was my first race of the day. We're starting on the first row of the grid because we're gridded by points, and I won the first round at Podium Club about a month prior to this. So I get a really good start. I actually look over my shoulder in a little bit of disbelief. Carrying the speed into turn one, I'm thinking in my head that I just got to keep the gains that I just got off that really good start. So I'm trying to carry roll speed and get the fastest line possible, thinking that this is a rare opportunity where right out of the gate, hopefully I don't have anyone literally right behind me. But as we can kind of see looking back in the video, that's just not very true. Art was right behind me, keeping me honest through this entire first lap. Coming into the carousel for the first time, you can tell that Art is definitely sizing me up for an inside pass. And again, down the start finish straight into turn one, he is looking for that inside pass. Through Yucca here, it's pretty rough, so it's easy to come offline just a little bit and end up in the dirt, like unfortunately one rider did there. As we come down the start-finish straight, we come into the carousel for the second time. We can see a little bit of ground that I've made up from coming around that second lap. I cannot hear Art behind me anymore, and I definitely heard him the first time. I know now I just got to keep putting down good laps. As we go down the start-finish straight again, you can see my lap timer has a bunch of red squares. I'm not setting my fastest laps right now, and I know I need to step it up. this lap, I'm seeing more red squares. I start thinking to myself that I need to stop fighting the bike. I'm hitting so many bumps and really fighting to control the bike that I just need to relax and dial it back a little bit. Sometimes slow is fast. Coming into the S's again, I still see red on my lap timer, so I'm not putting down the laps I could be. And then coming to the straight, we see the rider that went down in Yucca. Thankfully he was okay, but he had to ride his bike back in the dirt. Looking back in the rearview camera, we can see we've broken away from most of the pack. Art is definitely still there keeping us honest, so no big mistakes, but I just need to keep putting down consistent laps at this pace and we will cross that finish line. Alright, this is the final lap. One more time around. Through the carousel for the last time, came through the kink, look over my shoulder. I know that I got the first win of the day.